CNLC Display, established in 2007, is a leading provider of outdoor digital signage and integration solutions, focusing on R&D, production, sales, and services of LED and LCD series products for international market. Technical personnel account for 30% of the company's employees. We have a strong technical team composed of experienced engineers and technical experts. Most of them have worked in outdoor digital signage industry more than 10 years. We equipped with advanced equipment for production and testing, including temperature test chamber, sunlight radiation, etc. We provides perfect customized services for development, design, production, and installation. We have strong R&D ability, rich engineering experience, and high standard quality control procedure. Our products cover LED screens, billboards, high brightness, outdoor digital signage with aluminum profile enclosure, including the high brightness outdoor LCD kiosk and high brightness window digital signage. With 17 years experience of aluminum structure, we developed the IP rating outdoor LED and LCD displays with aluminum cabinet. With elegant design and durable quality, they are sold to customers all over the world. We get highly recognition from global customers. We always give fast service response and output professional solutions according to requirements. We are a professional and experienced manufacturer of LED and LCD outdoor commercial displays. We hope to achieve win-win cooperation with all partners in commercial display field.